Good morning, children. In our last class, what we have completed? Word meaning. Word meaning. 6 word meaning I have given to you. Have you beheaded? Writing work you have sent to me. Have you beheaded? Okay. In that class, what I told you that today we will do one activity. What is that activity? See. Unit 1, the world around us. Among that, we are now on living and non-living things. Living things need food and water. We have completed. Living things need air to breathe. That also you have understood. Now the third is living things grow. As I told you, you people are also growing. You are growing. You are increasing in height. Isn't it? Same way, plants also increase in size. So what is that? See the first activity. Here they have given 2 activity. The activity number 1. What is activity number 1? See here. I have written on the board. Put a bean sheet. Shall I show you the bean sheet? See, I am having bean sheets. Can you see these sheets? This is a bean sheet. See the sheet? Bean sheet. This is a bean sheet. Here I have drawn 2 plates for you. In that, cotton is there. This white color I have shown as cotton. See, put a bean sheet on the bed of cotton wool. In a plate, I took the bean sheet, I put it, spread that cotton all around the plate, and you have to make sure that the cotton is damp. Damp means in the state of being wet and dry. It should be dry also, it should be wet also. That is moist. So, make sure that the cotton is damp all the time. Do not overwater. Again and again you should not water it. Before you are doing this experiment, that day only you should split water on it. You should put on water on it. Keep it on a windowsill. You have to take that plate after putting that bean sheet on a damp cotton wool. That plate you have to take to the windowsill. And keep it on a windowsill without covering it. You should not cover it. Just in front of a windowsill you have to keep it. And you have to observe after a week. So here, see, you have to take one plate, spread cotton all over the plate, sprinkle water on it, on the bean sheets, and take this plate to the windowsill. After 1 week means 7 days. After 7 days, after a week, what you will observe? See, it is there in the second plate. What is there in the second plate? That whatever this bean sheet you keep it on a damp cotton wool, it spreads, the sprouts come out, and see the leaves in this activity, the plate number 2. So this is what you will observe after a week. This is after a week. But before a week, when you are doing this, your plate is like this way. You put cotton, damp cotton on that, and the beans are like that way. After a week, what you will observe? That leaves will come out of this. Sprouts will be there small. This process will go in a week. So children, now what you have to do? You have to do this activity in your home. So what you have to do now? I will do it practically and I will show you. You have to do the activity. This is your classwork. You have to write it and you have to draw it and you have to send. And the activity what you are doing, you have to do it at home. Okay children, just copy this. We will do the activity. One more activity is there of a balloon. That also I will show you. So first pause the video and write it down. See children, this is a bean sheet. What I will do, I will take one plate and see the cotton. This is the dry cotton and I have spread it on a plate. And see, I am putting water on it. See, put water all around it. It should be wet and you should not put it again and again. Once you put the water, it will go for a week. So after sprinkling water on it, you have to take sheets and put it. Keep the sheets like this way, and what you will observe, you have to keep this plate as it is. Don't overwater it, don't put more water, don't put less water. So keep few sheets in this plate and take this plate and keep it on a windowsill. What you will observe 5 days? See, this plate I will show you after a week. You do this experiment, this activity today and come to the board. What will happen next time? That we will see after a week what this sheet is, how it will sprout it. So children, now what we did? We took very simple it is. You have to take what I did, do it like this way. This plate, after a week, after 7 days or 6 days, you just see that bean sheet will sprout it. The sprout will come out and you will see the green new leaves in it. So this is activity number 1. So now come to the activity 2. What is all about activity 2? I will show you now. So shall we do activity 2? Okay. Now see children, what is this? This is a balloon. This we are doing activity number 2. So this is the balloon. Now a balloon grows in the size. When it grows in the size? When we blow air into it. How we will blow? We will keep like this and we will blow air into the balloon. Now is it that growth? Now see children, is it that growth? When you blow air into a balloon, see I have blown the air into the balloon. Is this balloon grow in the size? Yes, it grows in the size. So now next, blow air into the balloon. Blow air into a balloon. Then let it go away. Let the air go out of the balloon. Now what happens to the size? What happens to the size? It will come to the same size. But we human beings or plants, what they will do? They will grow in the size. Again, can we come to the back to the same position? No, but this is a balloon. When we blow air in it, the balloon expands its size. But when we let the air to go out of this balloon, again the balloon will come to the same size. So children, what is your homework? Note down your homework. You have to write this, okay? Write it very neatly one time and you have to draw it. And you have to do this activity. By drawing this and writing this part, you will come to know what is the activity. So once again see, put a bean sheet on the bag. So this is the bag of a plate. Here we have applied cotton on it of cotton wool. Make sure that the cotton is damp. You have to make sure that the cotton is damp. Make sure that the cotton is damp, means it is wet all the time. Again and again you should not put water. And do not over water, means again and again you should not put water on it. Once you have to do, it should go for a week. Keep it on a windowsill. That plate you have to take and keep it on the windowsill. Then without covering it, you should not cover anything. It should be open only. Then after a week, you will see like this. What the sprouts, the sheet what you have kept, dry sheet will start sprouting. And the sprouts come out from that sheet. So this is your homework. Write this activity, draw it, and children learn to color it. See how is the sheet color, how the green sprouts are coming out. You have to draw it and color it. And do the activity, you will have fun. Even the balloon activity, you have to take a balloon, blow the air in it, see how the size grows in it when you blow air in it. And let the air go out. What will happen? The balloon will come to the same size. So now when you blow air into it, can you see it is a growth? Yes, it is a growth. But when we remove air from it, is it a growth? No. Why? It will come to the same position. So children, this is the activity. Compulsory you have to do. Send me your homework like this way and do the activity. After a week, I want that plate, you should take a photo and send it to me. After a week, even I will also show you how the sprout will come out. Okay, till that we will continue the class, and when The sprouts will come out. I will show you. Okay children, take care. Bye.